we'd like to feature is what we call our 12-point flange screws. Now 12-point flange screws were designed to be an improvement over standard socket head cap screws. A 12-point flange screw is made to the same head diameter as a socket head cap screw and the same thread length, same head thickness. One of the limitations with the standard standard socket head cap screw is that the only way to assemble these things up is either using a hex key or a hex socket. And the problem with that is that the key is so much smaller in diameter than the product that you commonly get rounding out of the sockets or distortion of your hex key. You can't tighten it up and then you can't get it apart. These are high-strength fasteners, so once they're stuck in the application, it's very difficult to remove them. The 12-point flange screw was invented to eliminate that problem. 12-point flange screws are assembled using the standard 12-point sockets that you find in any one of your toolboxes. 12-point sockets tend to be the same diameter as the 12-point flange head, so when they're used in a counterbore hole like we're showing you in this application, counterbore hole means that the product will drop down below the surface, so it'll be below the surface. This guy can then be assembled with standard 12-point socket. So any application where you're currently using a socketed cap screw and experiencing trouble with it, we recommend going to the 12-point flange screw. It'll eliminate that socket round out, give you insurance that you're going to be able to assemble it to the recommended torque, and get it disassembled when you have to do adjustments to your equipment.